Hey, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to this week's video blog. My name is Robert Rico. Hey, I got a question for you. How far are you willing to go to close a deal? Are you willing to break the law? Stay tuned. Hey, so I'm a big sports fan, particularly baseball. I love baseball. Listen, Dodgers, 2017 and 2018, they went to the World Series, They went to the World Series, but results, no bueno, amigo, they lost. They lost the World Series 2 years in a row. The team they were playing against, the Houston Astros, were cheating. There's evidence that has been proven that the Houston Astros cheated. Now, how far are you willing to go to win the World Series? How far are you as a realtor willing to go to close a deal? Are you willing to be deceitful? Are you willing to, cross the line towards a gray area, be unethical? Are you willing to, cheat somebody out? Listen, in this world of real estate, I want you to listen to me very, very carefully. There's a lot of what I call sharks out there in the real estate world. There's a lot of temptation. What am I talking about? One example I'd like to give is this. There are times when listing agents who are listing this house here, whoa, I'm listing this house, who would rather accept offers from their own buyers than from buyers from other realtors. Now, why would they do that? They do that because they want to double end something, right? And by double ending a transaction, they make double the money. So they're saying, you know what? I'm only going to look at offers from my buyers. I hope one of my buyers makes an offer, or I'll wait for one of my buyers to make an offer. In the meantime, they're not accepting any other offers from other agents. That's not cool, man, because the law says you have to submit every single offer to the homeowner. It's ethical. It's the right thing to do. This isn't about your business. This isn't about you making money. This is about protecting your clients, protecting your principal. However, there's a lot of temptation out there, man, like the example I just gave you. But I can make my pocket bigger. I can fill up my pocket a lot more if I choose to neglect the interest of my client. If I choose to particularly only care about my interests, my pocketbook, by rejecting other offers and not showing them to my seller. Not cool. You want to win the World Series the right way. You want to close a deal the right way. You want to disclose everything that needs to be disclosed. You want to treat everybody with professionalism and respect. You want to set yourself apart by doing things the right way. Let me tell you something. Let me share something with you that you probably don't even know. Do you know that if you break one of the rules, one of the real estate laws, one of the rules, if you are unethical and you are reported to the Department of Real Estate, now listen to me carefully here. If you get tempted to do something unethical or illegal, you probably will be reported to the Department of Real Estate, which means they're going to investigate. Now, if they investigate, they may do one of two things. They're going to either suspend your license or revoke it. That's like them taking away your driver's license. You no longer can do what you've been doing for a mighty long time. You no longer can work in the real estate industry if they revoke it and suspend it. Think about that. That incident that you caused, that incident that you were involved in, is going to go permanently on your file on the DRE website. Now, this means that anybody in the public can go to the Department of Real Estate website, look you up by name, and boom, right there on the website, it's going to have your name with the actual situation you were involved in, the reason for the suspension, the reason for them revoking your license, whatever it is, it's right there in black and white. And all because you possibly chose to get involved in an illegal activity or an ethical activity, or both. It's not worth it if this is going to be your livelihood. You with me? My recommendation to you, keep it squeaky clean. Protect your clients at all time. Think of your clients at all time. Work for your clients at all time. It ain't all about you. Put the money in the back. Let it come when you close a deal. Don't put it ahead of the game. You don't want to put the carriage ahead of the horse, so to speak. Hope this helps you out. Hope to see you next week. Hey, thanks for watching this last video. Hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. Hey, do us a favor. If you think a family member or a friend would also enjoy it, why don't you share it with them? I guarantee it, they're going to get something out of it. In addition, if you have any comments, questions, or a topic you want us to discuss, hey, leave it down in the comment section. And one last thing. If you haven't subscribed yet, what the hell are you waiting for? Do it right now. Hope to see you next week.